10,000 subs. Wow, thank you so much, every single one of you. 10k. I only just realised about an hour ago. I hadn't been on all day. Brilliant, thank you so much, all of you. 10k. Yeah, 10k, Bab. 10,000 subs. And I thought I wasn't going to do any cooking today anyway. I was going to get a pizza, do a pizza. Because I really fancy a pizza today. So then, because I've hit 10k, we're going to go to Papa John's and we're going to have a pizza from there. Ain't we, sweetheart?
Yep, I'm sure.
Have a Papa John's.
Before it closes down.
Before he closes down. They've got a sale on. So I thought before he closes down, we'll go down there and get a couple of pizzas from Papa John's. It's freezing cold, ain't it?
It's so cold.
Yeah, we ain't done nothing all day, just cuddled up and just trying to keep warm. Got to pick my pizza up at 5. I've ordered it. I've had an American hot. Nat's had ham and mushroom.
Yeah.
Ham and mushroom. Extra large. And we got a cheese one for the lad. The other lad said he's on his way back for the weekend again. So we're just going to split the 3 pizzas between us. I've got to go and take my parcels back. Post my old phone. My new phone I broke. That's got to go back. We're going to do that. Go and get the pizzas, and I'll show you. The Papa John's cost me 30. I think it was £31.50 or something. For buy one get one frees and all this stuff. A bit expensive, but I thought because I've hit 10k, we're going to have a nice pizza. So thank you all, and see you in a minute. And we're here, guys. Papa John's. Lovely. Ordered for 5. Got about 5 minutes. So it should be ready. Nice and hot and dark now. Look. Papa John's. Oh yeah. Hey. Okay, back home. We're all ready. We only live about 2 minutes away. That's why we come here. And plus the sale and the closing down. So let's go home. We'll show you what we got. And we're back. There they are. Look, just took my coat off. So let's open them up and let's have a look what we got. I think this is the lads. He's just had a cheese. Oh, hold on, turn you around. It would help if I turned you around. Then it's just the cheese one, this. Yeah, there's the lads, just all cheese, which is what he likes. The dips aren't for him, because he doesn't like the dips. There's that one. Next one is... Oops, these are extra large because we're going to say we're sharing them all, so that's easy. Is that a ham and mushroom by the looks of things? There's not much ham there, does that? But there is a bit. Doesn't look a lot. And this one must be the All-American. And that's the All-American. The hot All-American. Supposed to be. Loads of dips. I did order a red dip. Have I got a red dip? Tomato ketchup, oh yeah, there. Tomato ketchup dip there. And some garlic dips. Right, I'm going to dish it all up, split it between us. Then we'll get up the table. Okay, we've dished them up. As I said, I don't know if I told you, the other lads come back from the army for the weekend again. It might be the last weekend, mightn't it, Bab? Yeah, for a while now, so he's popped back. I've dished it all up. The lads have had theirs, they've took theirs away. And I'll show you the rest. I've got lots, I have. There's mine. Loads look left. That's extras for tomorrow for me. There's Nat's, and the lads had some. The lad's going to have some more than Nat's when she's hungry, because Nat won't eat all that, will ya? No. Not away. And she's got tomato and herb, I think that is, isn't it, Bab? A tomato and herb? Yeah. What's it like?
It tastes like the base, that's what I know.
Tastes like the base? So what's you don't like that? No? Nope, Nat doesn't like that.
It's very strong.
What is it?
Garlic.
Is it just garlic?
Just garlic and something dip.
Just garlic? Garlic and herb?
Garlic and herb.
Garlic and herb. Anyway, let's crack on. For me 10k. And I did really fancy a pizza today, so I thought, well, I'm having one. Can't remember the last time we had a pizza, can we, from this thingy? No. So the lad had a Papa John's at Christmas, didn't he?
Yeah, we did.
We never. And this is probably, God, how long, do you reckon? 8 years?
8 years.
7, 8 years maybe?
Yeah. 'Cause kids
And that
were
was from
little.
Pizza Co, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, try that dip as well.
Oh,
It's nice.
it's got a nice doughiness, hasn't it?
I like the crust. I like the crust.
The jalapenos there's give me a kick. That's okay, isn't it? Nice and soft.
It's still warm.
Let's
as
try
well.
some of this red sauce. It's gonna burn, that's burning me. It's only jalapeno that as well.
Honestly, it tastes like the red stuff. Don't it?
It does, doesn't it? It just tastes like the base, doesn't it?
I think it's their own.
That's burning my neck, my throat.
You need to put your big boy pants on.
I know. She's gonna put them on. The big boy pants.
I think you need to.
All in all, so we never done a lot today. It was just absolutely too cold, wasn't it? Freezing all day, hasn't it, Bab?
Freezing.
Absolutely freezing.
It's like minus something here. Can't remember what it was.
And I was going to just go up Aldi and get some pizzas and do a pizza, because I fancied a pizza. And then I said I eat the 10k and I thought, oh, I'm going to have a Papa John's for it now then, to celebrate, eh, Bab?
Yeah.
And I looked on the website, it cost me, I think it was £33. That's what it cost me. So between 4 of us, and there was going to be some left for tomorrow, isn't there? For breakfast, obviously. Because there's nothing better than pizza for breakfast. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a sneeze.
I was gonna
then.
sneeze.
Yeah, that's why I turned away.
A lot of doughy crust. You?
Yeah.
That's nice. And I'm going to go live tomorrow. Wasn't going to do it today, it was just too cold. And there won't be no cooking, I don't think, tomorrow. I'll probably just sit in the living room and do it or something, I don't know. It's too cold in this kitchen, ain't it, Bab?
It's freezing in there. It is cold.
But I'm going to go live tomorrow, a 10k live. I'm going to do it a bit later, though, because people ask me if I can do it a bit later. I know it's a Saturday. So probably going to do it for about 3 o'clock, for 3 or 4 hours, just to chat and, I don't know, play some marbles or whatever. If you want to come across and have a look, and can't they? And
Yeah, do it in the lounge and then I can do my bits and pieces.
yeah, I think I'm going to do it in the lounge because it's a bit too cold in here, isn't it? At the moment, even when we got the heat on, it's just this kitchen is really cold. Unless you're cooking, it's cold, isn't it? So yeah, so thank you all so much for the 10k. Absolutely brilliant. I looked at my phone this afternoon. I thought, wow. I thought I wasn't going to do it until like the weekend. But thank you all so much. I say it's not just my channel, it's your channel as well. Because without you watching and subscribing, wouldn't be 10k, would it? So I love you all, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow on the live stream. Yeah, say about 3 o'clock. I'll sort it out in the morning and just keep an eye out for the notification or whatever. Thank you all so much. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Pizza time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's too cold, ain't it, Bab?
I'm freezing.
She's still got a scarf on, bless her. Bye-bye.